when the washer won't start. If the washer has a power button, activate the power button. If there are no lights on the display, check to make sure the power cord is still plugged into the grounded 3-prong outlet. If plugged in, a simple way to check the outlet is to use a known working lamp or hairdryer to check to see if the outlet is operating. If the outlet is on a GFCI outlet or shared circuit, check to see if the outlet needs to be reset. Next, check to see if the fuse is blown or circuit breaker thrown in the household circuit panel. If the outlet is the problem, call an electrician. If there are lights on the display but the washer won't start or run, check to see if the delay feature has been activated. If this feature has been activated, hit Cancel twice to cancel the cycle. Check to see if the control lock feature has been activated. Check to see if this model has a clean light. If the clean light is on, the door was not opened after the previously completed cycle. Open the door and reclose. Make sure the door has closed completely. Try selecting a cycle again. On this model, the Start button must be held down for 1 second or more. If the washer still does not start or run, and/or the display is not working, then a service call may be required.